In this video, I'll discuss some kinematics problems from previous year's question papers of JEE main exam. This is the first question. A particle is moving with velocity v equal to k into y I cap plus x j cap, where k is a constant. The general equation for its path is, so the velocity v is given as k into y I cap plus x j cap, and the velocity is dx by dt I cap plus dy by dt j cap. Now from this we get dx by dt as ky and dy by dt as kx. So dividing these two we get dy by dx as x by y. So rearranging and then integrating both the sides we get y square equal to x square plus constant. So the correct option is option 1. Let's move to the next question. A water fountain on the ground sprinkles water all around it. If the speed of water coming out of the fountain is v, then total area around the fountain that gets wet is. So this is a fountain which is coming with velocity v, and let us assume that the angle of projection is 45 degrees to have a maximum range. So you have to get the range of this water path. To get the range we need the time taken for the water to travel from here to here. For that we calculate the time taken to travel from here to the maximum height point. To get that we have to use this v equal to u minus g t, where t is half of the time of flight, and velocity at this maximum height point is 0. The initial velocity is v by root 2. From this we get capital T as root 2 into v by g, and the range is the horizontal component, which is v by root 2 into the time of flight. From this we get the range as v square by g, and the fountain is going to sprinkle water all around. So the area that get wet is pi into r square, where r is the radius which is equal to the range of the water path. So area is pi r square, where r is the range. So from this we get the area as pi into v raised to the power 4 by g square. Correct option is option 4. Then the next question. A boy can throw a stone up to a maximum height of 10 meters. So the maximum horizontal distance that a boy can throw the same stone up to will be. So when the boy throws up, let the velocity with which he throws be u. Since it is the maximum height of h, by using the energy conservation we can get u square by 2 as g into 10. Now to get the maximum horizontal distance he has to throw at an angle of 45 degrees. The boy will be able to throw at the same speed u. So now the range, to calculate the range we have to first find the time of flight. To get that we have to calculate the time taken to reach from here to the maximum height point. So from using this v equal to u minus gt, where t is the half the time of flight, we get capital T as u by g into root 2, and the range is horizontal component of the velocity, that is u by root 2 into capital T, the time of flight, which is equal to u square by g. We can get u square by g from here as 20, so range is 20 meters. So the correct option is option 1. This is the next question. A projectile is given an initial velocity of I cap plus 2 j cap meter per second. I cap is along the ground and j cap is vertical. If g is 10, the equation of trajectory is. So the initial velocity is u, which is I cap plus 2 j cap, and the velocity along the x direction is not going to change because there is no acceleration in the x direction. The acceleration is only in the y direction due to the gravity. So in the y direction the velocity is u y minus gt, and initial velocity in the y direction is 2. So vy is equal to 2 minus gt, and the x component of velocity is dx by dt is 1, and from this we get dy by dt. The y component of velocity is 2 minus gt. So from this we get x as t plus a constant. Let us assume that the particle is at the origin 0, 0 at time t equal to 0. So that way we get this c1 as 0. Similarly to get y, we can integrate this one. That will give y as 2t minus gt square by 2 plus the integration constant c2, and y equal to 0 at t equal to 0. From this we get c2 as 0. From the first equation we have x equal to t. Using that here we get y equal to 2x minus 5x square. So this is the equation of the trajectory. So the correct option is option 2.